Tūmokemoke is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
E tū ana au ki te tautai a tōku nei ngā tapu o maua. He toka āhuru, he maunga mau kōrero e. Kei ona reke e papuki nei, ko Tauranga. He moana mutunga kore, he moana pātaka kai e. Te tipuna waka e heke nei, ko mā tātua. Ko Waikari te marae, e whakakotahi i a mātai te hapu o Ngāti Rangi. Ko te mauni a kiraro, ko te pairoa ki runga. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Ia whakatane aui a haue taruwha.
Waikari Marae is one of the oldest marae in Tauranga Moana. Situated in the Matapihi Peninsula, the principal hapu are known as Ngāti Tapu. We have links to Mātātua, Takitimu and Te Arawa Waka through our eponymous ancestor, Tapu Kino and his wife, Torihitaua. The original whare, Tapu Kino, was completed in 1881. It was once situated at Te Mānia, an old settlement site that was located just below where the current marae stands today. The whare sat near to the shores facing towards our old pā in Te Papa and Otamataha. The hapu often ran into problems down in Te Mānia, mostly due to the high tide. The land where Tapu Kino stood was often flooded, so they decided to shift the whare to higher ground. Matapihi is the name of the block of area that Waikari currently stands on. There are different versions to the origin of the name Waikari, but one version is Te Karikari o Te Wai, the sound of the ripples upon the waters of Waipu, where they could hear from Te Mānia. A respected elder of Ngāti Tapu, Pita Whareatu, was the person who carved our whare. In the early days, our whare had no carvings on it. The carvings began during the 1970s. Peter had almost completed these works before he passed away in 1979. Despite his passing, the carvings continued, and they were completed and unveiled in 1982. These carvings showcase our unique whakapapa to Takitimu and Mātātua Waka. Kahu Moeangi, the mother to Tapu Kino, is the name of our whare kai. The Paipai Tapu Tākoro, who is grandson to Tapu Kino's daughter Waimahi, and also the whare ruruhau manuhiri is Tūkere, who is Tākoro's son. We also have a number of taonga that are placed around our marae, including an old rock that comes from Mauao. Memorial stones that commemorate our tupuna are buried on this land. One of the stones is Rewiti Hui Kākahu, the first to be buried here in 1913. He married Ngā Kumama, who was daughter to Paraone Koikoi, one of the chiefs who fought at Pukehinahina and Te Ranga. The stone in the front is the granddaughter of Hori Tupaia Ngā Manu. Hori Tupaia was one of the paramount chiefs of Ngāti. He also lived in Otumotai at one time. Ngā Manu was buried here in Matapihi in 1918. It is said that she passed away in Whakatane where she was living, and the elders decided to bring her back. It is through histories such as these that highlights the deeper connections Ngāti Tapu have to other hapu within Tauranga Moana.